Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fit fine at your homes. Dear students, today again we will revise the cursive, combined cursive from A to J, and I will tell you the formation of the combined cursive from A to J. So let's start. First of all, make a slanting line, again slanting line, then round, and again round. What is this? This is capital A and small a. This is combined cursive alphabet A, capital alphabet and small a. A for apple. Okay, students. The next alphabet B. Make a standing line, round, again round, then small b. Okay, students. This is the capital B and small b. क्या कर रहे हैं हम? Combined cursive. Okay, this is capital B and this is small b. The next C. C for cat. Just make a curve like this, again curve. C for cat, capital C, small c. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. Next D. This is, first of all, make a standing line, then round, then curve like this, and again round and standing line. What is this? D for dog. D for dog. Next E. E for elephant. First of all, make a round like this, curve, again curve, then again round. What is this? E. E for elephant, capital E and small e. ठीक है, ये कंबाइन कर्सिव है. ये क्या है? कैपिटल E and small e. After that F. F for fish. Just make a standing line, curve, then again थोड़ी सी स्लीपिंग and round, फिर round. This is small f, capital F, small f. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish. The next alphabet G. G कैसे लिखनी है आपने? पहले ऐसे round, then curve, then थोड़ी सी standing line, then again round, फिर round, फिर थोड़ी सी standing line, again ऐसे round. G for grapes. G for grapes. This is capital G and this is small. Combine cursive. Next, again standing line, again standing line, then round, round, standing line and curve. H for horse. H for horse. Next, I. Just make a round like this, then standing line, curve, and then small I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Next, J. J कैसे लिखोगे आप? पहले राउंड, फिर स्टैंडिंग लाइन, फिर राउंड, फिर स्लैंटिंग लाइन, फिर स्टैंडिंग and then again round. J for joker. Okay students, have you understood the formation of the combined cursive from A to J? Do its practice at your fair notebook. And now we will revise the page number 13 from your phonics sound book. So open page number 13. Dear students, now we will revise the EG sound words. EG egg, like BEG bag, BEG bag, KEG cag, KEG cag, LEG lag, LEG lag, PEG peg. Okay, let's revise it once again. BEG bag, KEG cag, LEG lag, PEG peg. Next, EN sounds. ठीक है, EN N sounds. DEN den, DEN den, HEN hen, HEN hen, MEN man, MEN man, TEN ten, TEN ten. Let's revise it once again. DEN den, HEN hen, MEN men, TEN ten. Okay students, hope you have understood these sounds EG egg and EN N. Dear students, revise this page at your home. Thank you. Have a nice day.